In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add videos to Figma prototypes. We'll capture a clean, shareable video of your prototype exactly as your viewers will experience it, so you can showcase flows, transitions, and micro-interactions with zero distractions. First, open your prototype in present mode. This gives you the true end-user view without the design canvas around it. If your prototype opens in a browser tab, make sure the window is sized the way you want your final video to appear. Close any extra tabs and notifications so nothing pops up mid-recording, and let the first screen fully load before you start. Next, use your system capture to record the browser tab. On Windows, press Windows key plus Shift plus S to open the capture controls. Choose the video option, then click and drag to frame only the prototype area. Keep the selection snug around the prototype so you are not recording the browser toolbar or any UI. If you prefer dedicated tools, browser extensions like Loom or Awesome Screenshot are great for capturing a specific tab cleanly and can simplify selecting just the prototype window. Start the screen recorder and confirm it's capturing only the prototype region. If your tool lets you, double-check resolution and frame rate for crisp motion and decide whether to include system audio or keep it silent. When everything looks good, begin the take. Now, interact with your design as your audience would. Move the cursor deliberately. Pause briefly on each screen so viewers can read any labels and click with intention to trigger transitions. If your flow includes overlays, modals, or scrolling areas, demonstrate them smoothly. A quick practice run helps you remember the path and reduces retakes. Keep your movements consistent. Slower, confident navigation looks more professional and lets animations breathe. When you are done, stop the recording and save the file as an MP4. MP4 is widely compatible across browsers, editing apps, and collaboration tools, which makes sharing and embedding much easier. Give the file a clear name that describes the prototype and version so you can find it later. If you used Loom or Awesome Screenshot, you'll typically get instant cloud hosting along with a downloadable MP4, which is handy for quick sharing with stakeholders. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.